Hello garden friends, are you in your happy place when you're in your garden? If that's you, you've landed on the right channel, DK's Garden Oasis. I am Debbie, I'm a master gardener and butterfly raising hobbyist for nearly 10 years. My goal on this channel is to educate, inspire, and conserve in your garden. I'll be posting videos every week on how to bloom, grow, and conserve in your garden. You'll learn the places to buy your seeds besides the big box stores, the tools that you need, and seed starting methods. You'll be inspired by garden tours of my gardens and gardens from across the US. And to conserve in your garden by designing and planting a pollinator garden, and also learning how to raise butterflies from egg to amazing butterfly. My vision and legacy is to share my garden for the community to enjoy. Be sure to hit the subscribe and notification button to get future content, and leave a comment below and introduce yourself. So come along with me on this journey to bloom, grow, and conserve in your garden. See you in the garden. Bye-bye.